The Switch 2 comes with a 256GB of internal storage, which is a big leap from the previous model. Expandable pa rin siya via microSD express cards, pero take note, older versions of the microSD cards ay hindi gagana dito. But in return, mas mabilis na yung kanyang read and write speeds, so load times are noticeably shorter. Mas smooth na rin yung kanyang transitions between the big titles. One of the coolest features this year is the game chat. Just press the small C button and you can instantly voice chat with friends kahit pa na iba yung nilalaro nilang game. Para siyang built-in Discord sa Switch ecosystem. Pwede ka rin mag-plug ng USB-C camera para sa game chat, pero it is sold separately and it is actually a nice addition. Currently, itong sa game chat is still free, pero by March 2026, it will require a Nintendo online subscription. Alright, so it's time for the real test. Let's start with the Super Mario Bros. Wonder. Actually, napakaganda ng kanyang visuals, very nostalgic, very lively yung kanyang colors, motion is incredibly smooth, and the 120Hz display, grabe. Napaka-smooth talaga ng every jump and napakaganda ng animation. Yung improved HDR naman niya adds a nice punch to the environment. Also, nagtry tayo ng multiplayer gameplay dito ay Super Mario. Kailangan lang natin iset or configure yung dalawang Joy-Cons para gumana siya as two separate controllers.